Alright, so, oh yes, of course, I got away the last few videos without a cat, and I'm not sure how I managed that one. I think it's because maybe I had the doors open or I don't know. Anyway, so after we bought the house, of course, we have almost an acre, and there is no way I'm pushing that. Coco, no! Oh, that's my mask. Okay, yeah, you can sniff those. You can sniff those. I don't care about those. Anyway, and so, of course, there's no way I'm pushing that. So we had a little bit of some money saved to purchase a riding lawnmower, and of course it has to be a John Deere. I have to do my daddy proud. My dad always had John Deere's, so it's a good lawnmower. I love it. So the heart layer is Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home Kind Heart. The scallop pattern is Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home. I'm going to use that yellow pattern you see. It is the reverse side of the heart pattern, and the green floral pattern is Miss Modern Stamp Market. I know it's Miss Modern, I looked it up, but I don't know if there's a name to go along with it because there's no branding strips on them, and on their website I don't think it's, maybe it does specify, but maybe this one I knew it was Miss Modern, but I don't know. But I don't have the name of the paper. I just know it's Miss Modern Stamp Market. So alright, Patton. He doesn't stick around. Oh, this one my husband Alex made me a breakfast burrito. Okay, so I am going to use the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Homemade Memories. This is still a June kit. I'm on the 7th layout. Everything's going to be the Hip Kit Club's Homemade Memories. No, go. Good try there, Sweet Pea. Yeah. Alright. And then, of course, my title is American Craft Sunshine Figures. And I just said, hello, summer. I figured that title fit well with the lawnmower because that's, you dig out your lawnmower at the sign of spring or summer. And the grass starts deciding to grow, grow, grow. And then I have to just finish, I'm going to put down my title, but I have to finish my die cuts. Bring those all down. So I just have to get these glued down, and then once that happens, I'll be done. All right. Trying to see what else I could add. I'm going to add some splatters in white. And then I think I do white, but I think I do black too. I want to say I do. Yeah, I do. Alright, and then once that's done, that is it. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.